Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI 11T. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then download this free app from this developer and open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then you need to choose Receive on XIAOMI and Send on an Android. Now click on all of those type of dots, then choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. But I will go with only one file, for example this one. Just send and click Got it only for example. Now we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on XIAOMI, then choose while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Now you need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my file was successfully sent. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always find some kind of Files app like File Manager, go into Images in my case and check for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!